Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Shivam Temre. In today's session, we will discuss Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Common Configuration Part 10 Business Unit. Okay, Business Unit. So what is business unit? A business unit is an organization structure such as a department or a team that produce revenue and it's possible for cost. The term is applied costly such that any team that manage product and services is typically considered as business unit. A business unit is a unit of an enterprise that performs one or many business functions that can be rolled up in a management hierarchy and services is typically considered as business unit. A business unit is a unit of an enterprise that performs one or many business functions that can be rolled up in a management hierarchy. A business unit can process transaction on behalf of many legal entities. Normally, business unit has a manager, a strategic objective, a level of autonomy, and responsibility for its profit and loss. Roll business units up into your division if you structure your charts of account with this type of hierarchy. Business unit process transaction using reference data sets that reflect your business rules and policies and can differ from country to country. Next is business functions. So a business function is represent a business process or an activity that can be performed by people working with a business unit and describe how business unit is used. A business unit can perform many business function in Oracle Fusion application like billing and revenue management, collection management, expense management, material management, marketing, receiving, payables invoicing, payables payments, procurements. A business function logically indicate a, a presence of a department in the business unit with people performing tasks associated with the business function. A business unit can have many departments performing many business functions. Business unit hierarchy. For example, we have Infusion Inc. America company, okay, uh, which provides air quality monitoring system through your division in Air Fusion, Infusion Air System division. Customer financing through your division, Infusion Financial Services. Infusion Air Systems divisions further segmented your business unit into system component subdivision and installation service subdivision. Now system component subdivision, we have two business units, air compressor business units and air transmission business unit. And installation service subdivision will have electrical service business unit and mechanical service business unit. Hierarchy created using a second or third balancing segment can provide the divisional result. Now for creating the business unit, let's go to the instance. First, you have to sign in as data user. After signing, just click on setting an action. Then click on setup and maintenance. Click on task. Click on manage implementation project. Select our project, data implementation project. Just click on it. Now search the task name is manage business unit. Manage business unit. Click on search icon. We have multiple paths over here for managing our business units. Just click on, we are going with our procurement related path. Click on manage business units. Click on go to task icon. Okay. Now for creating a business unit, just click on create icon. Okay. So before defining our business unit, we have to define our location, because there is some practical difficulties when you create your reports. That's why we have to define our location first. Click on cancel. Okay. So task, search the task name as manage locations. Click on search icon. You have multiple paths for location as well. You are going with procurement, just click on it. Click on manage location stars. Okay. For creating location, just click on create icon to create any for location. Okay. This is the page for creating the location. Now provide location name. Name is Tata, New York. Location code same is okay. Tata New York locations. Description is we have to fill the mandatory details over here. Name, code, country, address 201 Park Road. Okay. Select zip code. Click on search. Geography 0. Click on search icon. Select zip code as 10000. State, city, and county. While we select the zip code, all state, city, and county details are fetched in the page automatically. Okay. I think we fill all the mandatory details over here. Okay. Just scroll it down. Okay. We have multiple options and many options like property rental and property rental rate services like cities, postal code. We have to just fill the mandatory field over here. Just click on save. Okay. Click on review. Okay. It's taking time. Okay. Okay. Location information name is Tata New York location. Code is here. Tata New York location. Main address 201 Park Road, New York, NY 10000. Okay. Just click on submit. After creating the location, we have to create our business unit. Okay. Click on yes. Okay. Click on done. Now search task name is manage business unit. Click on search icon. Manage business unit. Procurement base path. Click on manage business unit. Select the row. Select the row. Click on go to task icon. Now click on create. In manage business unit, we create our business units. Provide our business unit name. Let's say, for example, Tata Steel business unit. Okay. Name is the mandatory field over here, and the default set is the mandatory field over here. But and location is not mandatory. We are just selecting for our purpose because we are facing some practical difficulties when we create our reports. That's why we have to define the locations. Select our location. Search. Name it is Tata. Click on search. Tata New York location. Select as OK. Now the default code, default site. Okay. So default set is nothing but your RDS reference data set. So a reference data set is a way of grouping different configuration. Click on icon. We have an option for creating a new default set as well. Now for example purpose, we are selecting default set as default reference data set as common. Click on search icon, select the common set, click on OK. Okay, just click on save and close. Okay. Okay, now our business unit is created. After creating the business unit, we have to assign business unit business function. Just click on it. After assigning the business unit business function, all our business units is seen in selected scope column. So just click on assign business unit business function. Click on go to task icon. Select our business unit, select an aid, apply and go to task. Okay. Search for data. Click on search. Our business unit, data steel business unit. Click on save and close. Here, here multiple business functions are over here, like billing and revenue management, collection management, for our supply chain management point of view, material management, procurements, sales, service request management. Okay, so for example purpose, we are selecting all of them, but in accordance to your use, you can select. Just select all. Okay, these are the multiple business function we have in our business unit. We have to select our primary ledger. So click on search icon. Okay, the entity name is Tata. Click on search. Tata primary ledger, Tata USA legal entity. This is our ledger, Tata primary ledger, and Tata USA legal entity. This is our financial reportings, and this is our all our business unit functions. Okay, just click on save and close. Here you can see in all the rows our business unit is shown over here in selected scope column. Okay, so this is all about the business unit in Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management Common Configuration. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you so much.